So clearly the Congress party also charging at and with other opposition leaders at the BJP. Let's listen in now to what other reactions are coming in from right outside the parliament over this commotion in the upper house.
मेरा एक आकलन है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मौजूदा सरकार संविधान पर चर्चा नहीं कराने देना चाहती, जो 2 दिन निर्धारित है। इसके लिए वातावरण लगाया जा रहा है। मैं किरण रिजिजू जी को समझाना चाहता हूं, बताना चाहता हूं, आप उपराष्ट्रपति को उसके जाति और धर्म के हिसाब से बांधेंगे? वो पद ऐसा है जिसकी गरिमा के खिलाफ है ये। और अगर मैं कहूं कि आप नेता विरोधी दल को इसलिए नहीं बोलने देते क्योंकि वो दलित समुदाय से आते।
देखिए, जिस तरह से ये चल रही है व्यवस्था, उसमें हमें लगता नहीं कि नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन चर्चा के लिए स्वीकृत भी होगा। चर्चा में आने ही नहीं दिया जाएगा, आप देख लेना।
सर, किरण रिजिजू की तरफ से कहा गया कि हमारे पास तो नंबर्स हैं।
तो नंबर हैं, ये कौन नहीं जानता है? तो जब नंबर नहीं होते हैं, अविश्वास प्रस्ताव लाए नहीं जाते क्या? लाए नहीं गए अतीत में भी। अविश्वास प्रस्ताव तो चर्चा के लिए एक माध्यम होता है कि कहाँ गड़बड़ी हो रही है। लेट द पीपल नो।
Let me go across to my colleague Aishwarya Paliwal reporting all the latest developments from the parliament. Aishwarya, so clearly a Hungarian-American businessman and investor has become the big political showdown in India's parliament. What's happening? Tell us more.
Well, Pooja, someone who's sitting, thousands of miles away has actually become the bone of contention between the BJP and the Congress. And we are seeing the one other name, apart from Gautam Adani, that has been reverberating throughout the parliament session is George Soros. Now, Shashi Prabhu has given clarification. He said that, he did a tweet way back in 2009, and almost 15 years later, why are these things being raked up? We are also seeing how the Congress believes that the BJP has no other issue to speak about, and because the Congress party is, raising fingers at Gautam Adani and linking him with Prime Minister Modi and the way in which he's been doing business, that's the reason, and this is what the opposition says, Pooja, that's the reason why George Soros is being brought back in the conversation. We are seeing time and again, be it the Lok Sabha, be it the Rajya Sabha, the name of George Soros has been brought in. The BJP now linking the Gandhi family, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, with George Soros, and they also believe BJP has been giving out, information and also saying that they have reports, damaging reports, which are pointing towards the fact that there is an entire nexus which is being run by George Soros with a very clear aim to break India and to break India's unity.
All right, so if the Congress party is charging with Gautam Adani saying he has the support and shelter of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the BJP on the other side saying, but there is a direct link between George Soros, the American investor and businessman, and companies with co-chair that Sonia Gandhi has been off. Aishwarya, I'll keep coming back to you, because remember, that only means that there's a showdown, there are fireworks, there are all these bawals that we have seen in the Rajya Sabha and the lower house of the parliament as well.